Hello, this is Ashi from Crafting with Ashi and welcome to this video. This is the card we're making today. Really simple, bold and beautiful, I think. So let's get started. You're going to need cherry cobbler as your card base, and this is a standard A6 card base. So that's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And then I've got a piece of designer series paper. Okay, and this is the Wrapped in Play designer series paper again, and this measures 10 centimeters by 14.35 centimeters. And then I've got a strip here of cherry cobbler, and this measures 2 centimeters by 14.35 centimeters. And then I've got a scrap here of Whisper White. So let's get started. The stamp set we're going to use is called Merry Christmas to All, and this is actually one of the Christmas stamp sets that's in the annual catalogue. And we're going to be using this sentiment here that says, "May the beauty of the season fill your heart with joy." And we're stamping in cherry cobbler ink, and I've got everything set up already here in my Stamparatus. So let's stamp that and see what we get. Give it a good push down. Okay, and I know exactly what I've done wrong. And this just shows I'm not thinking today. I haven't put my shim in for a photopolymer stamp. So I'm stamping as if it's a red rubber stamp. So that's the mistake I've just made. So let's put that in now. And hopefully, yep, we should be able to just re-stamp it. And everything should be tickety-boo. Yeah, look at that. Oh, that's our sentiment stamped. I've just cleaned up the stamp and everything. We're going to cut it out using our layering ovals, and this is them. Layering ovals framelits dies, and I'm using the largest one there is to cut that out. So I'm just going to put that through the Big Shot and I'll be back. Okay, so that's cut out. So now we're ready to assemble. So first, I'm going to stick down our piece of cherry cobbler, a strip, and I'm just going to use some snail for that. Just, oh, my snail's given up. Let's see if I have another one. Yep, got another one. So all I'm going to do is try and line this up as best as I can. Let's see. Let me use my grid paper, my mat, because then I can use centimeters. As I've said before, I'm a metric person. I don't work well in inches. So that will be roughly about centre. Okay, and I've got it a bit too long. That's fine. I'd rather it be too long than too short. I can always cut off the excess, which is what I'm going to do now. Okay, and now we're just going to stick that down to our card base. Let's put some snail. Isn't this nice, the back as well? I like all these stockings, so you could use either side. I just felt it was a bit too busy with the sentiment as well, so I went with this plaid side. Okay, and now we're just going to stick this down with some dimensionals. So let me get my dimensionals out. Okay, there's quite a big piece, so you will need a few dimensionals on the back of here. But I love my dimensionals. When I first became a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, I didn't want to use dimensionals because I thought they were maybe too expensive. I should really say that, should I, when I sell them? But I did. So I didn't want to use them, so I used, to be honest, cheap foam pads. And oh my gosh, the difference is really there. The old adage that you get what you pay for is so true. These work so much better than the cheap foam pads. They stick, they stay. Whereas the cheap foam pads I found always used to just stick to my fingers more than they would stick to anything else. These don't. Okay, so finishing touches, I'm going to be using these metallic pearls, and I'm using the gold just to put one over the dot of the J on the joy. Okay, so there we're done. Very simple, very easy card. They're the two. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want any information on this video, it'll be on the blog post that goes with it, and the link to my website along with my social media links are in the description box below. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to future videos. So all I have to say is thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!